Hi everyone! Today we will talk about how to fix or how to solve Snapchat memories not loading. To know how to fix or how to solve memories not loading, you should just go to settings, then we click apps, default apps, app settings. After that, in this list, you will search about Snapchat. When you'll find this list of app info, you will click forward stop and we click OK. Here we go to click storage, then we click clear cache, and in the end you can go to Play Store. You will search about Snapchat. When you will find it, you can update your application. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time in another video, and thank you for your attention and your watching.